Hi, we're in the polytunnel today. It's a bit of a wet day, but we're going to show you what we can grow and sow on the first week of June. So let's start in the polytunnel and get a few jobs done here. So June is a great time for doing sunflowers, and we've got quite an assortment here. Lucky Dip, Tall Giant, Teddy Bear, Velvet Queen and Irish Eyes. And all we're going to do is take a pot, add a bit of compost, make a hole, start off with the Teddy Bear. And we place seed in the hole, cover it up, give it a water and give it a label. I'm going to do a few of these and a few of the other ones. And that will look good. And then not forgetting a label. Teddy Bear. So here we have the Teddy Bear, Lucky Dip, Tallest Sunflower and the Velvet, which is the red. So we're going to give them a bit of a water and they're going to sit in the polytunnel. So I've been clearing this space for the Brassicas. I'm just tilling the area. So we can get the Brassicas in here. So first I'm planting out these sprouts, and they're going to be the highest row at the back, and we're going to get these in. So next is broccoli, and this is marathon. So next is some cabbage. So next we got some cabbage. This is going to go in between the broccoli. So the first one, we have our sprouts. Then under the yellow one, we got broccoli. The next one, we got 2 lots of cabbage. And the white cabbage is golden acre. Under the yellow one, we got left-eyed is Brussels sprouts. The right side is purple sprouting broccoli. And then we got the cabbage in the end. In this bed, in the polytunnel, is where our chillies are going to be, and this is one that I grew from a chilli plant from the shop, so it hasn't got a name. It's very dry, and I'm going to plant it next to the peppers. So that was just saved from seeds from a pepper and just planted. So it was saved from seeds from a chilli. And it's growing on from there. And the other two I've got is Christian and Tufla. I'm going to do the Christian here and then two fans side by side. One, and this is the Christian. It's going to go in front. And then finally, the last two from this side. So my little moats, save the pots and give them water. So that's all the chillies and the peppers planted for this year. And they're all in the polytunnel. So Tufan, Christian and the shop one. So there's still time in June to get those peas in. And I'm adding some peas every 2 weeks and having a succesional sowing. But they do need to be covered, as the pigeons do like to munch on them, and the mice. And any that haven't taken, just give them a tease and show them the way, and they make their own way up. So we can still sow spring onions like white Lisbon or Ishikura and beetroots still in June, and these can be both directly sown outdoors or in the polytunnel, making a small drill. Getting our onion seeds. Taking a pinch and lightly just sprinkle them along. And then either cover with some compost or just cover over with the soil. Making a line with the compost shows where you've got some lines, which is also a good idea. And then we do exactly the same with the beetroot. With the beetroot they're bigger, so we can place these individually one by one. And this is chugua. And there's the nice patterns. They're quite a big seed, so we can just place these down one by one. As we go. And then we cover with compost or the soil. This can be done outdoors. I'm doing these in the polytunnel. And the onions won't affect the cucumbers, as they don't take out the same nutrients as the cucumbers. And there we go. Ishikura and chigua. All they need now is the water. Job done. So I really enjoy now just coming down, having a look and seeing everything growing now. It's such a reward after so many months of dull, cold weather and not much growing. Now it's all worthwhile, and every time I look at something I think that needs doing, that needs doing, that needs doing. Anyway, let me know in the comments what are you growing for June? And have you grown any of the items I've mentioned today? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell and get notifications when I post some more. So I've just seen some more weeds. So thank you very much. Cheers.